Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler, and this is yet another different video. We're doing a full build video of a steampunk mechanical insect. Anywho, before we get into it, if you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell. That'd be brilliant. Thank you. I've been seeing these advertised on AliExpress and Temu for quite a while now, and I've really wanted to get one. My fingers have been itching. So I picked up 4 the other day, gave 2 to the wife, and I had 2. I beat the bee. I built the bee in about 2.5 hours last night. Pretty complex, and decided to do the spider this morning for the channel. Took 50 minutes. And what a mojo builder it is. It comes well packed in this box. All the little baggies inside are well labelled with the parts on there. It even comes with a pamphlet on how to use the tools. Can't be bad. We're going to start with the legs. So, without further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on. That's the legs done. That only took about 20 minutes to do. Now onto the body, or thorax, or whatever you call it. So let's crack on with that. As you can see, you have to line up parts before screwing them together, which can be a right royal pain. So what I did was line them up, use the Allen key to keep them all nicely lined up, and then when I was ready, I fed the bolt through at the same time as I took the Allen key out. Have a watch. Just like this. There we have the thorax done. No, I'm not going to try and pronounce the proper full name. Anywho, now for the abdomen. There we have the abdomen done. Now to connect it to the thorax. So here we go with that. Oh, for God's sake. Oh well, let's try again, see if we can get it this time. Done. Now, let's get the legs and the bolt done. There we have the last of the legs on. Next, we've got to bend the legs into the right position, so let's get those cracked. Legs all in the right position now, so it's time for this little bit to go in the middle. Double super glue and it's done. And all done. Now, time for the money shots. And there we go. I really enjoyed this. Call it a bit of a palate cleanser. I tell you what, I'm definitely going to be doing more of these. Anywho, thank you to you folks for watching this episode on the Steampunk Mechanical Insect. If you want to help me grow this channel, we're nearly at 2,000, then please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.